Hi, my name is Kevin, and I am a Secure Data customer. About 10 years ago, I purchased a 4-drive RAID deck. The 6 terabytes of disk space allowed me to store HD videos I was recording for work. I also used it to store all of my important files, from design documents to website backups, contracts, and thousands of personal photos and videos, vacations, holidays, my wedding, the birth of my children, countless irreplaceable memories. When the RAID failed, I was worried that all of those files were lost, and after receiving a few estimates for data recovery, it seemed like I couldn't afford the process even if it would be successful. That's when I found Secure Data through a Google search. They offered a free evaluation and a local facility where I could drop off my media. I heard from a representative within a few days of drop-off. He told me that their engineers expected to recover 100% of my files. I was extremely happy to learn that, unlike many of their competitors, Secure Data saw me as a human being with unique concerns and circumstances. Secure Data came through on their promise to recover every one of my files. I couldn't be more impressed with their services or give a more full-throated endorsement. My family and I are forever grateful to have our memories back. Thank you, Secure Data.